All right, Colin, what are we looking for? We just came in Walmart looking around, or Target, and they have Series 17. Oh, this is Series 16. This one, Series 17. We think we're the first one, so we went through all the serial numbers, and we got all 12 of the different serial numbers, so we should have all of them, even the hard to find ones. Go home, we'll open them up. All right, we are here. We went to Target today. We found the Monster Jam Minis Series 17. So we have different ones, and then we have the rare ones. We got all 12 of them, and we'll open them one by one and tell you which serial number ending is for which monster truck. So the first one, the serial number is 50. Go ahead, open it up, Colin.
It's been within
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's gonna be.
Yep. You gotta go right here. Here, pull it. Pull the other side.
No, I got
Yep.
it.
All right.
It's Rachel.
He's the grave digger. And which grave digger is it? It's the normal grave digger. All right. So that was 50. Number 51 is, let's see who 51 is. Open it up, Callie.
Okay.
Remember where these little tabs are. This is where it's easy to rip it open. Yep. So who's this one? It's an El Toro. Is it hard to find El Toro? I think that is, because he's gold. Yep. So this is one of the rare ones then. So he was number 51, the rare one. Okay, we are now at 52. Open sesame.
Open.
All right, who's this one? Is this the rare one? There's two different ones. I think so.
It's this one.
No, this is one of the rare ones too. Here, see? All right, so we got two rare ones already. All right, 53. Three of the rare ones in a row. So they actually numbered them close together. It's pretty good, because I think last time we took forever for us to find any of the rare ones. 54. Go.
Just put in this one.
And Blue Thunder is a normal one. Put him in his own little section. And we at 55. So 55 serial number. So we have the normal Earth Shaker. There is no rare Earth Shaker, but we have normal Earth Shaker. Looks the same as all the other series, pretty much. They didn't really change much with him. 56.
Okay. 14.
Horsepower. He's just a normal one, horsepower. And then 57. Here we go. Max D is a normal one. So we got a Max D there. And then 58 serial number. Who we got for 58?
Doggy.
Monster Mutt.
Don't have to
Monster
dog.
Mutt Rottweiler is just a normal one.
It's dog. That one's dog.
Yeah, that's Monster Mutt Rottweiler.
That
59.
one's dog too.
Who we got in there, Colin?
There you go.
No, this one's Son of a Digger. Son of a Digger. It's a normal one. But I like all the Son of a Diggers though. And then 60. We should be getting the other grave digger soon, the rare one. All right, find the tab and open it.
Down. Open it.
Okay, so this is zombie. So I'm guessing this last number 61 should be the other grave digger. This should be the rare grave digger because the first one was the common grave digger. This should be the rare grave digger. Up. There he goes. Yep, so he's the rare grave digger. So that's all the numbers. Here are the ones that are allegedly rare. And then these are the ones, the little common ones. Dinosaurs are eating the monster trucks. You got them eating the rare ones.
No one just now and then eat the dead.
I don't know if it'll work in there. These too little. You can try to blast them. See what happens.
Nope.
Nope, it doesn't fit in there. That's a car.